Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am very excited to finally get the Beats Studio Buds Plus in Australia. They just got released and I got my hands on them. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Beats Studio Buds Plus. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. If you're subscribed, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing as it'll ensure that I can bring more of these videos to you. Alright, so that's the box here. It's not too bad. Typical Beats fashion, bit too much information. I got the transparent one. Everyone got the transparent one, I think, because it's just so uniquely done. And it's not like Apple's the first one doing this. It's been done before, especially the Nothing phone. So a bit more tearing than normal. Okay, what do you get inside? Oh, everything just comes out like that. And you get the USB-C to USB-C. Okay, you get the earbuds as well. Okay, so you get the large, small and the extra small. And the mediums are on there, I think. Okay, product guide. So how to use them. And try Apple Music free, see on reverse, free trial, and that's basically it. Some stickers, typical Apple fashion stuff, and there you go. That's the headphones here. So quick pairing, open the lid and it'll go into pairing mode. Okay. Wow, that's not too bad, is it? That's very nice looking headphones. Not too bad at all. Alright guys, let me know what you guys would like to see this paired up against and compared against, and also what do you guys think about it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you like the black color or the silver color over this one? That's basically it from me. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.